Hello, Shaunda Dolls. It's me, Hair by Shaunda, coming to you today with another video. In this video, I will be showing you how to properly braid hair for your sew-in without causing follicle damage. Since my client is already getting a sew-in service today, I'll just use her for demonstration. So right now I'm just sectioning her hair for her service, and as you can see, I'm parting the hair from ear to ear. And you can use any kind of braid pattern that you like. This is just what I'm using today for her hairstyle, and I'm going to demonstrate how to properly braid it so that her hair doesn't fall out or she doesn't have any root damage to her scalp. So now I'm going to take thin partings because I want a really sleek sew-in for her, and I'm just going to show you guys how I check to see the width of my braid. I pull it up and I pull it back so I can see exactly how wide that braid is going to be, whether I should part out more hair or take more hair away. So now I'm just showing you how little amount of hair strands that I'm grabbing for my braids. Just a little bit of hair. The hair is going to braid. It doesn't matter. And you don't have to pull really hard. Don't pull really hard. Actually, you can't tell in this video, but I'm actually pushing down. I'm not pulling up to make the braid tight. I'm pushing down toward her scalp so she can experience comfort. She won't experience any pain because I'm not pulling her hair. So on to the next braid. I'm just gauging how wide I want it to be with my rat tail comb. And look, I'm grabbing little bitty strands of hair and I'm braiding it, lightly braiding it. I'm not pulling that hair. It's too thin, it's too light for me to pull. I don't even pull when I braid. First of all, I push downward. Never pull when you braid. You do not want to have your client feeling any sort of pain when you're braiding their hair. And it shouldn't be braided really tight. It shouldn't be braided really loose neither, but find a happy medium, okay? If you're a braider and this video is not for beginners, if you need me to do a beginner video on teaching you how to braid, leave a comment below and I will definitely create a video for that. But this video is just teaching people who already know how to braid, how to properly braid to prevent damaging their client's scalp. So you always want to make sure that you start your braid at the very, very tip top. It should be no loose pieces at the front because that will allow your hair to pull and yank at the edges. You want that braid to start at the very beginning of that braid. You don't want any unbraided hair. You know how some people start their braid like maybe a couple centimeters back and the rest is just hair laying down. That will definitely tear out your edges because when you're sewing that track on to that hair, it's going to be able to pull. See, you want it to start right there at the top. And I should be able to put my comb underneath there too. It shouldn't be so tight. It should not be so tight to where her head look like it's throbbing and she need Advil to get her hair done. It should not be that serious to get your hair braided. But anywho, you want it to stop right at the top. See, this is what I'm talking about. You don't want that little piece of hair to be unbraided because that allows for yanking and that will tear out that hair. So I'm going to redo this braid to show you how it's supposed to be done. Also, when you get a chance, check out my hair growth compilation. I'll put it in the iCard above and you'll get to see how much my client's hair has actually grown from wearing my sew-ins and from my hair growth treatments. So if you need me to make a video for that, I'll do that for you as well too. Make sure you subscribe though and hit that bell button so you'll be alerted every time I upload a video. So now it's more towards the front. It's tighter, but it's not too tight. I can get my comb under there. Her hair does not look stressed. There's a few little spots right there that looks like it could be pulling a little bit too tight, but not severely. You don't want those follicles to look like they're just hanging on for dear life, like, oh, like it's painful and it's sore and it's red. So I'm just showing how I finished her beehive back here. If you are not going to use a net, you can sew down this braid. I'm using a net, so I'm just going to put the net on top of it, so I'm not going to sew that braid down. Now I apply the net. Now if you want a video on how to apply the net, let me know, because I don't want to be making these videos for nothing. Anywho, I applied my netting and just showing you how I evened up everything. I'm going to sew my tracks right on the edge of the netting. Most of my tracks are sewn on the net, not so much the hair. Because why? We don't want to put no stress on these braids. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you out. And here's a little commercial from my sponsor, Silk Master Professional. Grab you one. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thank you for watching. God bless you, dear. Have a good day.